In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Docs questionnaire. We'll build a clean, fillable questionnaire right inside Google Docs, and I'll share simple formatting tips so it's easy to read and easy to complete. Keep in mind, this is a manual questionnaire, not an auto-collecting form like Google Forms, but it works great for printable sheets or documents people can type into directly. First, open your browser and go to docs.google.com. Sign in if needed, then create a new blank document. Starting fresh helps you control the layout from the very beginning. Next, add a clear title at the top. A strong, direct title sets expectations like customer feedback questionnaire or student survey form. Centering the title and making it a bit larger can help it stand out without overcomplicating the design. Under the title, write a short set of instructions. This is optional but really helpful. A simple line such as, "Please answer the following questions," honestly tells people what to do and sets the tone. If you have a deadline or preferred response method, you can mention it briefly here. Now add your questions. Numbered lists or simple bullets keep everything organized and easy to reference. Keep each question on its own line and stay concise. For example, what is your name? How satisfied are you with our service? What can we improve? If a question needs a longer answer, leave extra space or note that a detailed response is welcome. Make the document fillable so people know exactly where to type. You can add lines after labels like name, or age. For longer answers, leave multiple lines or a blank area, such as feedback. Another great option is a two-column table with question on the left and answer on the right. This adds structure, keeps text aligned, and helps prevent the layout from shifting. Organize it nicely. Use tables for consistent structure, apply bold to the questions so they stand out from the answers, and add spacing between sections so it doesn't feel crowded. Consistency is key. Keep the same font size, alignment, and spacing throughout. When you're ready to send it out, click Share in the top right. Choose the right permission. Viewer allows people to read it, commenter lets them leave comments, and editor lets them type answers directly. You can also copy the link and share it with your audience. One final note, questionnaires in Google Docs do not automatically collect or analyze responses. If you need automatic submissions and built-in charts, consider using Google Forms instead.